Here we are. Sound effects practical. Whitey with mac. Mac and cheese.
This is a sound test.
What we got here in the bag? We got a.
You want to see people? Hey, look. I left it on because I'm an idiot. But
He said it was a full battery, so
yeah,
we are opening the gates.
Open the gates to Nadia. What kind of accent was that?
Oh, there's a hill there. Oh.
Open the gates.
Indeed.
Oh, this is actually gonna be good because the bugs chirping and shit. That's actually good.
That is very good. Just don't spook them. If you spook them, they're gonna stop chirping.
Are there any spooky ghosts here?
Yeah.
You know, we shot dead meat here.
Dead meat?
Yeah,
oh yeah, I remember that. Yep.
That was such a fail. Honestly, we did the first third of episode 3, and it was like really well shot, and then we just like stopped caring. Didn't finish.
Subliminal YouTube plug.
Subliminal YouTube plug. Go check out my channel.
What is
Link
it?
at the bottom.
That works.
Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time for that.
I did 40 seconds because by the time I started being quiet.
You're going to want to do two things. One, there's a really loud ass air conditioner over this way from us, so you're probably going to want to point the mic more that way.
Yeah.
And two, you're going to want to bring your gain up because your levels were very low that take.
They were?
Mm-hmm.
Good point. Very good point. Alright, so ambience of forest, take 2.
Just got done doing our takes in the forest.
Yeah.
We had a couple bad ones, one with an air conditioning unit in the background and another with an airplane going overhead, but we finally...
Hey, that's some natural forest sound effects, if you ask me. Some AC and some planes could never hurt any forest.
Word.
Unless you're lost.
We're here in the back lot, heading back to the vehicle. And we're gonna go get a watermelon from Publix.
Yeah, that would be fun.
For some awesome sound effects.
Are we cutting through here?
Yeah, let's cut through here. So, yeah, see you all on the flip side.
What's up, Whitey here? Heading to the Publix. Florida traffic sucks. And Florida traffic sucks.
I woke up to go get me a cold pop. Then I thought somebody was barbecuing. I said, oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire. Then I ran out, I didn't grab no shoes or nothing, Jesus. I ran for my life. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time, ain't nobody got time, ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time, ain't nobody got time, ain't nobody got time for that. I said, oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire. I said, oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire. I said, oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire. Jesus, 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 it's a fire. I said, oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire. I said, oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire. I said, oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire. Jesus, 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 Jesus.
This is take number 4 of Knife Twisting in Human Head.
I'm sorry. That was bad. My fingers squeaked.
This is take number 5 of Knife Twisting in Human Head. This is take number 2 of Match Lighting. This is take number 1 of Mac telling a joke.
If you had an Uncle Jack and he was stuck on a horse, would you help your Uncle Jack off the horse?
Here we are, Mac and I, entering the laboratory.
We did it.
We did it.
We did it.
You saw it firsthand, how awesome it was. Scanning the key card and entry.
Redemption lies in the ...
And this is where the magic happens. Turning in the practical.
Yeah.
Which we have in the bag. We got this in the bag.
Is it okay that I tell a dirty joke for my dialogue? Oh, cool. Cool.
It should, hopefully.
Do we get the memory card from you guys? Or?
But if we've heard it before.
Oh no, this is
Heard it
my
before,
dad.
fan job.
Yeah.
Mission accomplished. How do you feel about that? Think we got a perfect score?
I think so. Except I think they might dock us a little bit for the ambience because you did hear that kind of like little footstep like halfway through it.
Yeah. Maybe it was a bird off in the distance. Who knows?
Maybe it was obviously one of our foots. Our
Just,
foots.
Don't let the instructor or the lab instructor see this, and there you go.
Yeah, cool.
Woohoo! Time to take Mac home, and then that's it. Yay!
Ain't nobody got time for that.